Welcome back to FinTech Frontier, folks. I'm Alex Rivera, and today we're diving into the Unelma Pay virtual credit card. It's your digital passport to seamless global transactions. But what exactly is this virtual card, and how does it work?
Great question, Alex. The Unelma Pay virtual credit card is essentially a digital version of a conventional credit card. Powered by Visa, it's accepted worldwide, making it ideal for international payments without the usual banking hurdles.
That sounds incredibly useful. So, let's talk about getting one. Is it as straightforward as it seems? I've heard you need to set up an Unelma Pay account first.
Indeed, Alex, the process is user-friendly. Download the Unelma Pay app, complete your KYC for security, and you're set. Once your account is verified, creating the card is a breeze. Just follow the in-app steps and you're ready to go.
All right, let's walk through setting up this virtual card. What should our listeners do once they've downloaded the app and verified their account?
Good question. First, log in and head to the virtual credit card section. It's intuitive. Click on Create Cardholder Info. The system validates your documents and, if needed, prompts you to add any missing details.
It seems straightforward. What happens after the cardholder info is created? I imagine there's a bit more to it.
Exactly. After the info is set, click Create Card. Within seconds, your virtual card appears in the app. For security, log out and back in, and there it is, your card is ready to use.
Now that we've got the card set up, let's dive into the benefits. How does this card make life easier compared to traditional options?
The benefits are extensive. With Visa's global acceptance, you can make international payments hassle-free. No more currency conversion issues or transaction failures. Plus, your actual bank details remain secure, reducing fraud risks.
And what about online shopping and subscriptions? Many of us face restrictions there. Does this card help?
Definitely, shop on sites like Amazon or eBay without errors. Pay for Netflix or Spotify without regional blockages. The card handles recurring payments smoothly, making it perfect for maintaining your favorite services.
This all sounds fantastic, but are there any drawbacks or fees to be aware of?
Well, there's a creation fee of about 4.9 USD plus 2.5% and a similar fee for topping up. While standard, it's worth considering. However, the benefits often outweigh these costs, especially for frequent users.
Looking ahead, how do you see virtual cards evolving in the fintech space? Are there new features on the horizon?
Absolutely. As digital finance evolves, expect enhanced integrations with e-commerce platforms and even more robust security features. Virtual cards like Unelma Pay will likely become mainstream for secure, flexible transactions.